If your mother don't tell you that one you're not Jamaican, fire than must tell you think a cool breeze. What that mean?
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understand.
If you lie with dog, you get up with fleas.
It simply means that if you lie with somebody that is not truthful, or if you're among people that is not truthful, people that is not honest, you're gonna catch the same. You're gonna be like the same thing. They're gonna be. Alright, foolishness. What is it?
You lie with dog, you rise with free. The company where you keep.
It's the reputation you have.
Exactly.
Same thing.
No.
Same thing.
No.
Yeah, go like you're uptown. That's not uptown, a slang. They are talking about patois.
Yeah.
So that's not patois.
The friends you have is how your friends represent you. You represent your friends.
Okay, lie with dog, you catch flea. Alright.
Learn to dance here before you dance abroad.
Always do what you do best at home in your own comfort before you go out and do it.
It means to perfect your skills and craft before you try to do something new.
Yeah, no go to go show your ass and nose.
You can't do it. No go to go show your ass and nose, you just steer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wanty can't get in. Get in a wanty.
Wanty can't get it and get in a wanty. It simply means that you have something and you don't show appreciation for it. Wanty can't get it and get in a wanty. So when some person have want things and can't get it.
Yeah, you're right. It's like count your blessings and do not let what you have taken for granted, because people don't know the things you've done and go through.
Alright. If you ramp with puppy lick your mouth, what that mean?
Oh.
Hmm?
Oh, you asking us?
Mm-hmm. You ramp with puppy lick your mouth. What that mean, Gary?
No, I'm not ramp with dog.
So,
You ramp with puppy lick your mouth. What that mean, Kate?
I get uno beg no.
That's what I
But
said.
you don't answer the first question. Say ramp with puppy lick your mouth.
No dog, no.
So, I think if you ramp with a dog and the puppy catch your mouth.
Ramp with puppy lick your mouth.
If you ramp with people rough and people hurt you, it's your fault because you ramp with the puppy.
If what?
You ramp with people and you know people might hurt you, and your fault because you decide to you want to ramp with the puppy.
Or if you like that, say you give them an inch, although you can use proverb interpret proverb. You give them an inch, they take a yard.
The same thing as you lie with dog, you rise with flea.
You lie with dog, you rise with flea. Same thing, like you don't give people too much. Like people were not deserving of it, you don't give them too much. Right.
I have one. You can't teach old dog new trick.
You can't teach old dog new tricks. That's true. Like Gary.
What does it mean though?
You can't teach old dog new tricks. It means that people stuck in their ways. And it doesn't matter how much you tell them or how much you teach them, they still gonna do what they feel like.
Because they only have one point of view.
They
have a narrow perspective.
Right.
Them ask me question and about me.
Alright. If you see everybody around, take time.
First meet with her one day. If you see everybody around, take time.
Mm-hmm.
If you see everybody around, take time. Can you go have a stampede after?
Or if you have a stampede, if you see everybody around and you the behind, mom.
If you see everybody around, take time.
Yeah, if everybody around you, the stampede not gone left your mom.
Okay, so what that mean?
It says take your time because you don't know what's going to happen if you follow others.
Okay.
You have a mind of your own.
First me hear that one. Fire than must still then think a cool breeze. If your mother not tell you this, you're not Jamaican. If your mother don't tell you that one, you're not Jamaican. Fire than must still then think a cool breeze. What that mean?
My mother tell me if you're run nanny don't go sweet them belly.
What sweet nanny go to go run them belly?
That's what my mother tells me.
Well, fire than must still then think a cool breeze happen.
Go and fool around and see what I gonna reach you.
Yeah, when you think of peace and safety as so the destruction. Like, okay, you think say, okay, everything good and normal.
Alright.
I say, okay, I'm
Turn
at
it off.
peace. Fire than must still then think a cold breeze.
Sick no cure, doctor worse.
Sick no cure, doctor worse.
Yes, we'll get it on.
It means say, if me tell you something and you don't want to do it, then me not care, cause you not care either.
Can't help somebody who don't want to help
You
themselves.
can't help somebody who don't want to help themselves, right? I don't get one right. Be a mad interpretation, them make sense right now.
Rooster.
Mommy,
Eh?
baby rooster.
Baby rooster,
Yes,
what's that?
that's a chicken. Chicken.
Yeah, baby rooster chicken.
Yeah,
Get that,
chicken
tell 'em,
rooster. Chicken rooster. Chicken. Like a rooster white. Like a pillow.
Mama, as before, monkey bite trousers in my feet.
Before monkey
Yeah,
buy trousers,
then-
them have to where to put the tail. Before monkey buy trousers, them have to know where to put the tail. First, me hear that one day. Make sure the fashion of others suit you before you rush to adapt them. Wow, this a new proverbs.
Yeah.
The man who shit a road, no man bite. I will step in it, man bite.
Baby,
What do that mean?
Eh?
What do that mean?
And the people things on the man bite.
mommy,
Okay.
baby, somebody.
I know every man got magic.
I know every mango got magic.
Mommy, I like to
Good
watch.
people are out there, but not everyone is bad.
Mommy,
Good. Them proverbs you're
mommy,
new.
I like work.
Jamaica
I
is a
like
country
rock
that's
and roll
always
song.
developing.
So Carol, you can make me just do me something. I you like rock and roll song. Huh?
Jamaica is a country. It's out of many one people.
It's a wisdom from the old time people. That's not the proverbs. Sorry for Marga dog turn around by it.
That one.
Is that one already? No.
Yeah.
Sorry for Marga dog turn around by it you. Mommy always say that. It's sorry for somebody feel like say okay yeah. Them in a desperate situation when they get out of it, and them same one turn them back on your brother. Them same one ready to eat you up.
Alright, last one. Before dog do without him supper, him name cockroach.
New proverbs for the black.
When times are hard, people
Before
make
dog do without his supper and yam cockroach.
Cockroach.
Before times are
When times are hard, people will make
do with whatever is available. I literally said that to you yesterday.
before dog do without him supper him yam cockroach. When times are hard, people will make do with whatever is available. Alright, so guys,